Hello children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the first class maths. So children, in the previous class already we have completed the making of tens. Okay children, the after numbers, the before numbers, the between numbers, now counting of the backwards. So all we have completed in the previous class. Today in our class we are going to discuss about the symbols. So already we have completed children in our previous classes, but still one more time we could get practicing. So that is the symbols, the greater than, the less than and equal to. Let us see children, here we have some numbers. So the textbook children, the textbook page number 134. In our textbook, the page number 134. So here we have the boxes. So fill in the boxes they have given. So you have to fill with the boxes with the regarding symbols. So that is the greater than symbol, whether it is the less than, whether they are the equal numbers. So we have to tally. The first one that is, so children here we have this number 2020, 2020. So when we are comparing the two numbers, so whether it is a greater than or less than or equal. Let us see now. So 2020, 2020. Both are same. So equal. Nobody is greater, nobody is smaller. So both are same numbers. Equal numbers. So what we have to write children? Equal to symbol. So the symbol that is equal. Equal to means both lines, two lines we should draw. That is the equal. So we are showing like this means 20 equal to 20. 20 is equal to 20, the same, both are same. Okay children, so here we can write this symbol. Now let us see another one. The first number here what we have, 8 tens, 6 ones, 8 6, 86. And the next one here we have 9 tens and the 0 ones. Now first of all we have to check the tens place. Okay children, not the ones place, the tens place we should check. So here how many tens are there? 8 tens. Here how many tens are there? 9 tens. So no need to check the ones place. If you check that both the first tens place, if they both are equal, then we have to go to the ones place. Now first of all when we are checking the tens place, let us see now 8 tens and the 9 ones. 8 tens, 9 tens. Here 8 tens are there, here also 9 tens are there. So in the tens place, one side 8 we have, another one is 9. So which is the, comparing to these two numbers, so 8 is the, here 9 is the big number, 8 is the small number. So this is the smaller one. So which is the big number now? This is the big number. This is the big number means the symbol must be which side? Yes. So when this is the big means the symbol also be this side. So here like this we should write the symbol. So that is this symbol. That means 86 is less than 90. So what we are showing now here? 86 is less than 90. Comparing to 90, 86 is very less. So this symbol it will show. So this is the small number and this is the big number. So the symbol also, which side? This is the big one. So here we have this mouth. So the fish mouth like this is a big size. So wherever the big number will be there, this symbol will open that side. Now here 9 is a big number means, so this is the big number. So 86 is less than. So what we have to say? Less than 90. Now here if you see, next number 1 to 12. Here 8. That means this is the 2-digit number and this is the 1-digit number. So definitely this is the small number. 12 is the big number, 8 is the small number. So this side you have the big number. Now the mouth will open this side. That means like this. So here. So then what is this? How could we say? That means 1 to 12 is greater than 8. So 12 is greater than 8. This is more than 8. So greater than. So this is greater than and this is less than. So you can remember when you are so confused, you don't know. So then very easy is that to remember that is. So which side will be the big number, the symbol will open that side. Suppose this is the big number, so big one. So big one means the big mouth will open this side. Suppose this is the big number, so the mouth will open this side. The fish mouth will be there like this. So like this. So this will be the big side. Always this face must be the big number side. Suppose the big number is this side, the face will open this side. Suppose the big number is this side, so the mouth will open this side. Okay children? Now here we have completed. Now let us see the another one children. 1, 6, 16, 1, 0, 10. So if you check the tens places, both are same, isn't it? 1 tens, 1 tens. Comes to the tens place both are same. Now the ones place if you check, 6 ones, 0 ones. So which is the big one? 6 is the big one. Okay. So here the 0 is under 0 ones, 6 ones. So ones place, this is the big number. So the symbol must be this side. So like this. 16 is greater than 10. Now 9, 6, 96, 9, 6, 96. The tens place both are same. 9 tens, 9 tens. The ones place both are same. 6 1, 6 1. So both are same means equal numbers. So two lines we should write here, the equal numbers, showing the symbol that is equal. Now next one, that is 2 8 28 4 3 43. Now the tens place, that is 2 tens 4 tens. So which is the big one? 2 is big or 4 is big? 4 is the big number. So the big number is this side. So the symbol also must open this side. That means 2 8 is less than 4 3 43. 28 is less than 43. So the big number this side is like this. This mouth also open this side. Okay children. So here we have completed. Now let us see the next one here. Here we can see children, the another row here we have 6 2 62. 6 2 62 and 2 6 26. The first tens place check children. 6 tens 2 tens. So no need to confuse at all. 62 26, that is little bit confusion. So no need to worry. The first tens place you can check. 6 tens here we have and the 2 tens here we have. The tens place you should check. So 6 is the big number. So the symbol also be this side. So here we can write 62 is greater than 26. 82, 87. Both are same. The tens place. 80, 80. So go to the ones place. 2 ones, 7 ones. So which is the big one? 2 or 7? 7 is the big number. That means big number is that side. The symbol must be that side. 82 is less than 87. Okay children? Now 55, 55 and 11. So the first tens place 5 and 1. 110, 5 ones. So 5 or 1, which is the big one? 5 is the big number. So this side we have the big number, means the symbol must be this side. It must open like this side. The big number is that side, so the hand must open this side. The symbol must be open that side. If the big number is this side, so this must be open this side. Now here the big number is this side, so like this. So 55 is greater than 11. So children, in our textbooks, some more examples we have. So you can do it children on your own. So this you can fill it in your textbook. You can complete with this some symbols. Slowly you can carefully and you can do it. So greater than or less than or equal. Now let us see the another Roman, that is ascending order. Write the ascending order. Let us see now. So children, let us see the ascending order. Now here we can see children, what do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. So first we have to begin from a small number to the big number. So suppose you are climbing the stairs. So the first step to, again you will go to the upstairs. So when we are climbing the stairs, so that is called as the ascending order. So from the down to up you are going. That is called as ascending order. So small to big. So our mark must be like this. So the steps when you are climbing, so from the down to the upstairs you are going. So that is called as ascending order. So first of all we have to take the only the small numbers. So children, let us see now. Here we have the four numbers. 2, 0, 20, 5, 3, 2, 32, 1, 2, 12. Now first of all we have to separate now the first small number. So how to identify the small number? So very easy. So first of all we have to see any one digit number are there or all the two digit numbers are there, like that we have to check. So if you see in this row, here we will get the one digit number and the remaining are three are two digit numbers. So obviously the first one digit number is the small number. So we will separate the first one digit number. So 5 is a small number. So among all these numbers, so 5 is a small one because that is a single digit number. So first of all the small number to write, that is 5. So this 5 is completed. Okay children. Now the remaining two numbers, three numbers are there. So all the three numbers, here we have the two digit numbers. So what we have to do, we are confused now. All the two digit numbers are there. How to get the confusion? So how to get clear of this confusion? So very easy. So first of all we have to check the tens place. How many tens are there? What are the numbers in a tens place are there? That we should correct. First we should find out. The tens place here means 2 tens, 3 tens, 1 tens. So what are the numbers now? Don't go to the ones place. Children, only first of all check the tens place. 2, 3, 1. Okay children? 2, 3, 1. So 2, 3, 1. Which is the small one? Yes. Obviously the 1 is the small number. So this is the second small number now. So you can give the tick mark. So 1, 2, 12. Okay children? So this is the second number. 5 after this is the second small number. Now comes to the remaining. These two numbers has been completed now. We have written already. No need to be checked out. Now 20 and 32. Here we have the two numbers again. So again we are checking the tens place. 2, 3. 2 tens, 3 tens. 2 tens and 3 tens. Which is the small number again? Small only we have to take out, not the big number. So ascending order means small to big. So always you have to check the small numbers. So 2 and 3, which is the small one? 2. Yes, 2 is the small one. So 2, 0, 20. And the last one here what we have got, that is the big number. 3, 2, 32. So here we have found that very easily. 5, 12, 20, 32. So this is the small number coming to the big number. This is the small number. So this is called as ascending order. Small to big. Now let us see one more example children. Here we have children. Here we can see the second example children. 1, 1, 11, 3, 0, 30, 2, 1, 21, 4, 1, 41. That means here we can't find the single digit number. All are two digit numbers. Okay children? So all the numbers are two digits. Now what we should do the next step? The second step what we have to do is we have to check the tens place, not the ones place. So 1 tens, 3 tens, 2 tens, 4 tens. So the tens place, that is 1, 3, 2, 4. So very easy. Now we have to find out the small number. So among the four numbers, 1, 3, 2, 4, which is the small one? Yes, obviously 1 is the small one. So this is the first number. Okay children? So one small number we have found. Now 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4. Which is the small number? Yes, 2 is the small number. So 2, 2, 1, 21. So we should not write only 2 children. The 2, 1, 21. Both the full numbers we should write. Now 3 and 4. 3 is the small one. Very easy. 3, 0, 30. And the last one here we got the 4, 1, 41. So small to big. Isn't it? Very easy to find out. Now let us see one more example children. This also we can do very fast. Now 7, 1, 71. 8, 2, 82. 4, 0, 40. 9, 9, here we can see all the 2-digit numbers. No 1-digit number is there. So there is no single digit number. So all the 2-digit numbers. So now what is the second step? So yes, we have to check out the tens place. 7 tens, 8 tens, 4 tens, 9 tens. 7, 8, 4, 9. 7, 8, 4, 9. 7, 8, 4, 9. So which is the small number? 4. 4 means 4, 0, 40. Yes, this you can give the tick mark. So here we can write the first one. Okay, now 4 it is cross out. 4. 7, 8, 9. Which is the small number? 7, 8, 9. 7 is the small number. So 71, 71. So this we can cross out because 4 completed. So 8 and 9. Which is the small number again? 8 means 82, 82. So here we can write the 82, 82. And the last one that is there, 99, 99. So here we have completed the ascending order. So children, in our textbook, here we have some more examples. 3 I have said, and the remaining 3 you have to finish on your own. So you can do this, children. Now let us see the another one, that is numbers. So write the numbers in descending order. Let us see the descending order now. So children, let us see the descending order now. So ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. Suppose you small to big means you went to the upstairs. That is ascending order. Now descending order means from the upstairs again you are coming down. So from the up to you are coming down. That is called as descending order. That means the big to small. So from the big number to the small number. So we have to identify all the big numbers. Ascending order means all small numbers we should identify. Now in the descending order we have to take only the big numbers. Okay children? Now first we have to take the big numbers. Let us see now children. So if you see these numbers 1, 6, 16, 8, 0, 80, 3, 5, 35, 2, 2, 20. So here all these 4 numbers are 2-digit numbers, not the 1-digit number. So any 1-digit number not there. So we no need also. So we have to identify only the big numbers. The same method you should follow. That is, we have to identify the tens place. So first of all, you have to take the tens place. 1 10, 8 tens, 3 tens, 2 tens. That means here we can write children 1, 8, 3, 2. Now we have to identify only the big numbers children. Now we should take only the big number, not the small number. So what is the big number here? 1, 8, 3, 2. So 8 is the big number. So 8 will cancel and 8 will write here. That is, it means 8080. So 8080 is the first big number. Now the second big number. 1, 3, 2. Which is the big number now? 1 is the big, 3 is the big, or 2 is the big? Yes, 3 is the big number. So 3 means, yes, 3. This is the 3. 3, 5, 35. So the second big number 3, 5, 35. And now here we have the 2 numbers. 1 and 2. Big number is 2. So this number. So 2 means 2, 2, 22. And the last one here we don't need to write. So just simply we can write here the 1, 6, 1, 6, 16. So here we have completed the descending order. This is from big number to the small number. So from the big to the small. So this is the. Now let us see one more children. Example here. So 4, 5, 45, 3, 1, 31, 5, 6, 56, 6, 3, 60. Now let us see all the tens places. 4 tens, 3 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. So all we have the tens places. So 4, 3, 5 and 6. So from these numbers we have to take the big number. So 4, 3, 5, 6, which is the big one? 6 is the big one. 6, 3, 63. So here we write the 6, 3, 63. Now 4, 3, 5. Again big number. and a 3. So big number is 4. You can cancel the 4, 5, 45. And the last one, only 1 is remaining. That number, small number, here we can write. 3, 1, 30. So 63, 56, 45 and 31. This is the order of big to small. So from big to small. Now here one more last one you can find out, children, very easily. So 31, 21, 11 and a 51. Check the tens place. So 3 tens, 2 tens, 1 tens, 5 tens. That means, so children, here we can write that. So these small numbers we can write, children, here 3, 2, 1 and 5. Okay, children. Now 3, 2, 1, 5, which is the big number. So 5 is a big number. 5 means 5, 1, 51. So you can use the small tick mark. So to find out easily, so we should give the tick mark. We should separate that one. 5, 1, 51 is completed. So here we have it. Now 3, 2, 1. The big number is 3. 3, 1, 31. That means these two we don't need to consider them. Completed. Now this 2 only remaining. That means the 2 and 1. 2, 1, 21 and 1, 1 11. So again, which is the big one? 2 or 1? 2 is the big one. So that means this is the big number. And the last one remaining, that is here we can write, children, 11. So in this way we can find out the big numbers very easily. So anything that is in ascending order, whether it is a descending order. So first of all, we have to remember that is in ascending order we have to consider only the small numbers. We have to select the only small numbers. All the small numbers, whatever the small numbers will be there, we have to take the small. And in the descending order, we have to select the big numbers. So that you should remember. Ascending order, small to big. Descending order, big to small. Okay, children? So no need confusion. Now the second step, what we have to do that is, we have to check out the first, the tens places. If you check the ones place, again that is confusion. So don't check, go to the ones place. First of all, you have to check the tens places. So the tens place, if you write like this separately, then easy to get and easy you can find out these numbers. Okay, children, hope you understood, all of you, the missing numbers, that is the fill in the blanks. We completed the greater than, less than and equal to, the ascending order and the descending order. So hope you understood, children, all of you. So in the textbook, the page number 134, the remaining sums also you can complete in your textbook, student. So up to here, the page number 134, here we have completed this. So all of you note down carefully, children, write very slowly and easily. So hope you understood, all of you.